what you need, but I got what you want, babe. No, we don't have to leave. The night is still young.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to be talking all about my favorite spring trends and also wanted to do a little girl chat video with you guys. It's been a while since I've just sat down, hung out with you, had real talk, maybe because I'm on my period or something, or because it's Wednesday, I just feel extra chatty today. And also just answer some of your most frequently asked questions. You guys have been asking me a ton of things and I want to just answer it all in this one video. I love giving back to my subscribers, so be sure to subscribe to my channel to join this month's giveaway. I'm giving away a Polaroid camera and all you have to do is to be subscribed to my channel. If you want to shop anything in this video, just open up the description box. It'll be all down below, including my sizing and the price. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you like my girl chat videos. So without further ado, let's get started. I was able to score a dress for $12. I could barely buy lunch for that price. Raise your hand if you're a dress kind of girl, because I am so lazy when it comes to getting dressed, but you know, your girl wants to look good. I got this dress for $12.99, which is such a steal. Honestly, one of my queen of discount moments. I love the smock detail and the ruffly sleeves. It makes it so flirty and fun and perfect for summer. And what's great is since there's this little tie here, you can actually scrunch up the sleeve to transform the sleeve into a short sleeve. This dress also has two slits in the front, which is nice and airy and breezy. My latest obsession has been midi style dresses with this tie front detail. I love the little cutout here in the front, and I also love the jumpsuit style as well. This jumpsuit is from Target. It was quite a good deal. I believe this was $22 and this dress was $40 from Urban Outfitters. I love the kind of mustardy bright yellow canary color. I think it's perfect for spring and summer. I see myself wearing it to weddings and picnics and a lot of nice like brunches. I wanted to talk about this gorgeous white leather jacket from TJ Maxx. I love the studded detail on it, and what really stood out to me is the embroidered detailing on the jacket. Usually when I think of a leather jacket, I think of something really tough and edgy, but I find that this one is quite bohemian and really fun. Even though it has these silver studs on it, it still matches my style, and I think it's a nice modern take on the leather jacket. I got a lot of questions about how to style mom jeans. Mom jeans tend to have a more looser silhouette, so I would definitely recommend wearing it with something more fitted on the top, like a crop top, something like a white t-shirt tucked into your mom jeans. So these ones are my first ever pair from Madewell. They're super comfortable, really loose, kind of baggy, the perfect summer jean. As a petite girl, I love this mini striped dress. It's super cute from Urban Outfitters. I love how these stripes kind of elongate my body. It also makes me feel a lot slimmer. The crossback detail is unexpected but very fun and whimsical. It's like a party in the front and then business in the back. So another trend I've been loving has been romantic white blouses, something similar to this. So this blouse was a little bit boxy when I picked it up, so I decided to wear it backwards. You know, I gotta hack my own clothes. So I love the ruffle details, and I tucked in the collar to create this V neckline. Alrighty, for those of you who are wondering what does the top actually look like on, here it is. This white blouse is a great base for overalls, denim skirts, anything more plain and simple. I just love the look of a crisp white top. Nothing beats it.
Don't have what you need, but I got what you want, babe.
Next up, I have these jeans from Target. I've been really into experimenting with new styles of bottoms. I picked up these wide leg crop jeans. It has this cute little waist tie to cinch in your waist. So I actually featured this outfit in my Nothing to Wear spring video, and I really loved it because it kind of gave me that retro vibe, and it's ultra comfortable, kind of conservative and minimalist.
I'll follow you.
Bottom, I'm wearing this denim skirt from Madewell, and I love the button details and this patch here on the side. This denim skirt is so incredibly comfortable, and it's really nice and stretchy. And then I also picked up these pink suede mules, and I love how comfortable they are. These styles of shoes are definitely geared towards the comfy mom. Freaking comfortable, and they're so cute in this millennial pink color. If you're still a skinny jean lover like I am, then you will fall in love with these jeans that I have from Madewell. I love the light distressing here on the thigh, knee, and also on the ankle. Skinny jeans are a great way to balance out oversized, voluminous tops, and it keeps everything nice and streamlined and sucks everything in.
Oh, what you running more?
Oh man, I already stained this top with something that kind of looks like chocolate. I'm not really sure, or maybe some cake. This top inspires me to go outside. It makes me want to have a barbecue or to hang out with my friends. It's so freaking cute. I love that it's a little bit more on the looser side, so I could tuck it into my skinny jeans or mom jeans. It's just so fun and whimsical and so San Francisco. So now let's move on to the Q&A portion of this video. The first question is, how did I meet my boyfriend Scott? So I've been dating him for about a year and a half, and we actually met online. We used the app Coffee Meets Bagel. I am definitely the bagel and he is the coffee. I'm an everything bagel, by the way. We met online, we really hit it off, and I actually didn't tell him what I did at all. He had no idea that I was, you know, a YouTuber. I told him I worked in marketing and advertising, and I loved photography and videography, and that was pretty much it. We went to a museum, and the girl at the ticketing desk, she actually recognized me, and she's like, oh my gosh, are you Fashion by Ali? Oh, I loved your YouTube videos. And I'm like, girl, you totally gave me away. But it was a great icebreaker, and I could finally talk about my passion, which is making YouTube videos, and I could finally share that part of me with him. Question number 2, how do you deal with toxic friendships? I feel that there are two types of people. People who talk about other people and people who talk about ideas. I definitely prefer people who talk about ideas. People who talk about other people cause a lot of drama. You want people to inspire you to pursue your dreams, motivate you to become a better person. So if you feel like you have a toxic friend in your life, I think you should not feel bad to let them go. You know, there can be different types of toxic people. It can be people in your family, it could be people at school that you can't really escape from, co-workers, etc. Communicate that what they're saying or their actions are not acceptable, and you're hoping that they can change. This one's kind of funny and kind of juicy. How do you know if someone likes you? It never hurts to be straightforward and just say, hey, do you like me, or are you interested in me? You know, if you like them back and it's a mutual feeling, I don't see why it would hurt to ask them, hey, do you like me? This next question is so funny. Okay, are you Asian? I think when I was younger, I used to get offended by this question, to think, how do you not know what I am? If you're curious and you really want to know, it's okay to ask those questions. Yes, I'm Asian. I'm Chinese American. I was born here in San Francisco, born and raised. I've never lived anywhere else except for Davis and San Luis Obispo for a short period of time for college. The reason why some people question the fact that I'm Asian or not is because of my hair color. It's a slightly brown brunette color, so it kind of confuses people every now and then. So yeah, to answer your question, 100% Chinese. How do you get paid on Instagram? Well, as a social media influencer, you can do brand partnerships. You work with brands that you truly love and support, and you create images or videos for them, and you share it on your platform that reaches thousands of people. Another alternative is to use affiliate links. So things like to know, reward style, shop style, collective, those are really simple ways where you can earn money simply by referring products to your followers or viewers. Where is my favorite place to shop? My favorite place to shop right now has to be Nordstrom. I'm obsessed with Topshop. I love ASOS, I love Forever 21, Zara, love shopping at Target or Target. Urban Outfitters, oh my gosh, I can go on and on. If you're ever curious to know where any of my clothing is from, usually I have it linked in the description box of my video, or you can check out my blog, fashionbyali.com. Last but not least, how is YouTube now compared to when you started? Well, I started YouTube over 8 years ago, and way back then I used to film all of my videos on a webcam. So I feel that the production value has definitely changed over the years. Go with the flow and film videos on the spot, whatever I felt like. I did a lot more DIYs and sewing videos, whereas nowadays it's more like clothing hacks and more like lookbook style videos. So the production value of that has definitely changed. I have more of a game plan when it comes to filming and editing. What hasn't changed really is I love sharing with you outfit ideas, and I love just the community aspect of YouTube. To put a face to a username is so important to me. It seriously makes my day and is my highlight to meet you guys. Okay, I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. I've been struggling for a while because I've built this YouTube channel for over 8 years. I've been consistently uploading videos in hopes to inspire you to be the most creative self and to empower you to be confident in the clothing that you wear. In the past year of going viral, I've kind of lost touch with my viewers, you guys. So I would love to know about you. Comment down below and let me know, where are you from? How long have you been watching my YouTube channel? Tell me something about yourself. And I feel like I've shared my entire journey with you guys, all the way from when I was in high school struggling with bullying, to college when I didn't know what I wanted to do with my career, postgraduate when I was just kind of having fun and making DIY videos and lookbooks and sharing with you guys my personal style. Here I am today, sitting here, just really excited about life. So happy to see what's next with my YouTube channel. Tell me where you're from. Tell me a little bit about yourself. How long have you been watching my YouTube channel? What do you like to do on the weekends, you know? I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little Q&A about relationships and friendships. If you have any other questions, be sure to comment them down below. You never know, I might in my next video or live chat video. Be sure to follow me on Instagram. My username is fashionbyali. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video.